Hi Leo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of June. Let's see what your month has. Alright. So Leo, what you don't see is I think what you're feeling, that the feeling of working too hard for nothing. Let me take 3 more cards for you. Alright, so there is a sense of I am stuck somewhere, a very stuck, undecisive energy, sense of working too hard, carrying a lot of burden, carrying a lot of unexpressed emotions is there. I think this is for the for some of you, there's even though that you're working maybe a little too hard, even in relationships, there's a sense of abundance around you. Maybe you are spending a lot of time with your family and you feel very fulfilled. That's also there. You know your worth, even though you have blocked your energies for a lot of people. Still, you know your worth, but there's still a sense of not being able to decide and being asked to change your perspective about something. Let's clarify this. All right. So once we clarify this, we see that there is a need to end a pattern, end a certain situation, and be very clear and cut things which don't serve you in order to achieve what you're really wanting, which is abundance in family situations, abundance in work wise, money wise, finances. So you need to really end something, let go of something, right? You're being asked to, you're again holding too tight, maybe that is why you're not being able to decide, and you're asked to release that. So once you release it, you'll see that you'll find what you've been looking for. It could be your own patterns, your own habits, your own thinking, which is stopping you. It need not be a relationship per se. Please take it as it resonates. So this is what I see. Let me clarify this with major arcana cards. All right. Very good. Wheel of Fortune, Emperor and Empress. So yes, if for those of you looking for love, this is your ideal partner which you're dealing with, and I think your decision to this is your own mind which is stopping you to achieve this situation. This is what I'm getting. For some of you, it could be some other situation, some other things which are stopping you from achieving this made for each other situation. But I still feel that things will change in a way that you guys will meet if you haven't met this person, or it's just an ideal situation. Things will change this month. This is what the month shows. Even if you're dealing with what I see, this is all in your head first of all. So you need to come out of your head and quick changes. I think this month looks really good. There are a lot of forward changes, and definitely Emperor and Empress, there is a very balanced situation. Even if you're looking for a business partner and not love, you will find somebody who's the right match for you. For those looking for love, will definitely find the person who's again the right match. Let's see how you can handle this situation. All right. So be steady. You don't need to hurry. Be steady and don't lose patience. Have the conviction that you really want this and steadily achieve that. Welfare work and following the injunctions of the scripture. For those of you who follow any faith, anything, it could be Gita, Bible, Quran, anything, you will find the answers which you're looking for in that scripture. And also help people around you. Help people around you, whosoever need you. Be nice to people around you. That's what the whole thing is. And whatever you want to achieve, be steady and be very sure of what you want to achieve. Don't doubt yourself. Even if you face few failures in the way, that's just a part of the whole process, right? So that should not sway you away from what you want to achieve. That is what I'm getting, and this month looks really good because the Wheel of Fortune says things are bound to change. So have patience and have faith in the universe. That's my message for you. Thank you for watching.